So this every time when you are developing anything, every blue character will be uppercase every time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is the coding standard. If you follow from your initial stage when you will be starting developing, then you will be having good practice.
Okay.
Because I never started with this good practice thing, so it took me a year and a half to remember all. Then currently also I used to like I have written this as, but when I'm developing I keep a note like I
Uh-huh.
should be, it should be like everything should be in capital letter what I'm writing.
Capital. Oh,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
yeah. So add address. Address is the blue, right? See, you can see address is blue. But I
Mm-hmm.
want to name a column which will be of address, which will be address. So address, whatever is blue, whatever is, there will be a color, pink color over here. Okay, select, at the rate, like this one. This is the kind of pink color. Okay, so everything which is other than black
Uh-huh.
is a system defined keyword
Okay.
also. Okay,
Oh,
like you can see like this is thing. So it is related to our system. This is a global variable. Okay,
okay.
okay, global variable you can access anytime. Like you have a server name. If I select this, it will give me the name of the server. What is the name of server?
Okay.
This one. Okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So everything which is other than black will be a system defined. So this is the, so I want to add an address, I want to add a column which is of address type. Okay.
Oh,
So address type, this is address type. So, but it's giving me an error like definition of column included. It is giving me nucleotide. So like it is already a, so what I'll do, I'll put up over here like this. Do like this or change the name of the keyword. Okay,
okay.
if I change it, so I want to alter the coming on the point, I want to alter the table. This is the table, I want to alter it. So I want to add another column into address. I'm having three columns, ID, name, salary, right?
Mm-hmm.
But later on a requirement came to me like I want the address of the employees also to be
Okay.
stored with me. So address, what will be the address? Like it will be 127, comma separated, then New York, then something like it,
Mm-hmm.
address will be of this kind. Like
Yeah.
it will contain number also. It will contain
It can actually be
character.
characterized.
Varchar, it should be varchar. So it will contain character also, and it will contain the special character also, like comma, hash, everything. It can contain anything. So we'll write it as address, and because address can be very long, so make it as 500. Okay,
Okay.
add this. Okay, so if I execute it, a column will get created. So currently you can, if before this, if I've selected this, you will see only these three columns, right?
Only name and salary.
Yeah, and ID name. So now if I select this demo invite two, then it will be giving me four letters. Four letters. Okay, one, two,
Oh,
three, right? So another thing, like if you are working on a computer and you just want to select this, but you may need this one also later on. So you will not delete it just like that because you have to write it over and again, right?
yeah.
Okay. So what you will do, you'll comment this. Comment this. So comment can be done by two ways. First is
Mm-hmm.
this. If you select this one, it will comment the whole part. Now it's green, so it is commented part. Okay. But
Okay.
as I say, like I don't want developer to use GUI. Okay, GUI. So I'll say them select this one, press Control, then K, then C.
Control A and then C.
No, Control K, K for Karnataka, C for California.
Okay.
Okay. So control, select the part which you want to comment. Okay.
Yeah.
See, I want to select this one. Now I press Control. I'll press K.
Control
I'll press C. Okay.
C. Okay.
This is a shortcut. So I've seen like 60 to 70% guys don't use this thing. No, they don't. They just go over here to go to GUI and then do it. But whenever you will be a good coder, anyone will be a good coder. So he or she will use this like keyboard only. He will use less mouse. Mouse should not be used as much. It should be avoided. Okay. Okay. So now this is the thing. Okay. So if I select it, it will be like only only structure of the table with the address column. Okay. So
Okay.
I have altered the column by adding address. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I want like I want to add another column. I want to delete another column. Okay. Then also it is a alter process. Delete column address one. So just a second, it's not delete. It's drop. Okay. You want to drop anything. You want like address should not be there. So I want to alter the table. Currently you can see there are four columns into it. Okay. But I want to drop a column address. Okay. So if I select it again, address is gone. Address is gone. Okay.
Got it. Okay.
So this is adding a column. This is deleting a column. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the another thing which will be the part of it. Now it's having only two columns. Now after this, I want like a data type should be changed. Okay.
Okay.
So copy this one. Yeah, another thing, if you like, you can read with me like whenever I want to comment anything. So what are the keys I want to press?
Control K C.
Yeah, and if you want to uncomment a thing, okay, uncomment. You don't want like this comment should be on. Control K U for Ukraine.
Okay.
Control K and U. Okay, it will be comment will be on. Okay.
Uncomment. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
So, are these all DDL commands or DDL?
sorry.
Is it all DDL?
DDL, yeah, DDL, data definition levels. Yeah, these are all DDL because I am playing with structure of the table. Okay,
Gotcha.
everything I am creating a demo, I am creating a table, I am dropping a column, I am adding a column, everything which is related to the structure. I told you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If I see the definition of a table, okay, so you can see like we have a salary of float type, right?
Mm-hmm.
Float will be having decimal character also. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but I want this to be changed to integer. So, how I'll write it? Because this is a part of altering the table. I want to change the structure of a table. Okay. See, remember this thing. Whenever you want to create a table, so keyword is create. Okay.
Yeah.
So you are creating a new thing. Okay. So after that, if you want to change the structure of a table, changing means altering anything. Okay.
Yeah.
So altering means alter. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So alter table name. Okay. Because I want to change the table structure. So I will have to write every time I have to write this. Whether I am adding it, whether I am dropping a column, whether I am changing the structure of the column.
Altering the table. Okay.
Yeah, so I need to write this thing every time. and this will be
Oh,
different for each and everything. Okay.
okay.
Whenever remember this thing, whenever you have to add a column, okay, so
Okay.
you will use this keyword add, right?
Yeah.
But after this keyword you will not use column, that like I have used it over here, right?
Okay.
So it will be simply, it will be add and then name, okay?
Okay.
Add whatever you want to add, but in this case I'll use add then column then keyword column. This is a system defined keyword, right?
Okay.
Blue, this one is blue. So I need to add this thing. I need to add the same. So I need to do the same with this dropping also and altering also.
Okay. With drop and
Whenever
alter, you need to add a column.
you need to write this keyword also column, okay?
Okay.
But not in case of add, okay? So these two I have done. I'll comment it again. So I want to change the data type of this. So I think I have changed it. Let's change it again. So if I run it and go back to this point, see, whenever your queries get successful, okay, you have successfully ran the query. So this message will become to you. Commands completed successfully.
Okay.
Okay, but if your query is not successful, there is some error. Okay, like this one. This. So this table is already there, right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So it will not allow me. A table can have only a single table with one name. Okay, it can't have another table with same name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I run it, it will not allow me to create another table because it's already existing by this name. Okay, it will give me error. What error will be there?
Actually, I have a quick doubt.
Yeah.
So whenever you're doing an add or drop or alter, you first have to mention the table name and then the command, right? Whether it is add, drop or alter.
Yes. So what is doing like whenever you have to change the data, you are talking about data type, right? You are talking about all these things. Add a column,
Like
delete a column,
alter
right?
table, before drop, add and alter, you have the alter table name. So that is required first, right?
Yes, that is required because this column, this salary column can be there in another column also, right? Another table also.
Okay.
So what we want to do, like I can have another table, like I already have another table, like this one, which is having the same structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you need to specify which table you want to impact, which table you want to change the structure. You want to add a column, you want to draw a column, you want to alter the column. So I need to first alter table because I'll have to alter it. Anyhow, I'll
Oh,
alter the table only. Okay.
okay.
Because adding a structure, deleting a structure related to a table. So first I have to write alter table name every time you will change the structure. Okay.
Okay.
So every time you create a table, you will have to write this create table name. Okay.
Okay.
For create table name, altering alter table name, dropping drop table name. Okay. So I have created it. If I run this thing, I'll see structure. The salary was float, right? Earlier
Mm-hmm.
it was float, but what I have done, I have changed it to integer type.
Yeah.
I have changed to integer type, so it should be integer. Okay, it is
Okay.
integer. Yeah, right.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.